In this video, we're talking about MetaArena. So friends, this token is legit or scam. Before investing on this token, do your own research and let's get started. So friends, this is a Web3 gaming based on AI decentralized approach and overall game performance. So guys, this is based on Web3. You can play games, you can earn, just connect your wallet through this website. You can connect Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Bitget Wallet. If I scroll down, you guys, you can also download this token on Windows and iOS and Androids. This you have a characters and you can play and you can get extra rewards through playing these games. This is a story mode. You have characters, guys. You can see here, this is a Web3 new gaming era. You have Telegram community, you have X community, you have Shine YouTube. This is on Telegram. I see some people here, a huge member, almost 4,000 member online on this community, and this website looks like fast, and you have you have dragons characters, you can earn games bonuses, you have market and NFT market here. You can just connect your wallet, you can get a free mint here. So guys, if I check the price of this token is $0.051 with all-time high almost. This is the all-time high for volume. And then this token listed on Uniswap before, BankXSwap, our Bit and MeX. This is the volume, this is the trading, guys. You have one of this token equals $0.052. This token listed and based on BNB Chain ecosystem, and this is category gaming, GameFi. And then if I go to total supply, I see 2 million of total supply, max total supply 2 million also. The holders is almost 6,000 members with a lot on a huge transaction on last minute. This is all good inside and good indicator. So guys, before investing this token, do your own research. I give this token 6.5 on 10, and this is not financial advice.